Princess Prisha. Welcome to my show. Today we're going to be making mango popsicles. Are you ready? Let's go look at the ingredients with me. First, we need some mango pulp. Second, we need some ice cream. And then third, you need something to mix with. And then you need a popsicle stand. Are you ready to start? I'm going to start with mango pulp and put few cups of it into the jar or mixer or something you have. Second, you're gonna add some ice cream. And then you're gonna mix it. And then you're going to slowly get all of it in until you see it turns into mango. And then you can slowly add everything and mix it all up. We're going to take our popsicle stand and take all of the lids off, pour our mix into our stand. And then we're going to close all of the lids. So our popsicles are ready. So let's put them to freeze for one whole night. It's so yummy. Anu, how do you like the popsicles?
I love it.
Sanu, how do you like the popsicles? Yeah, great.